Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make the best tuna salad. First, select high-quality canned tuna, preferably packed in olive oil for a richer flavor. Be sure to drain it very well to avoid a watery result. Then, gently flake the tuna with a fork, aiming for a nice texture with some larger pieces, not a mush. This initial step sets the foundation for a truly delicious and satisfying dish. Next, let's add those essential flavor boosters. Finely dice about 1/4 cup of crisp celery for a refreshing crunch. Mince a small amount of red onion, perhaps 2 tablespoons, to provide a subtle, sharp counterpoint without overwhelming the tuna. Finally, stir in 2 tablespoons of fresh dill or parsley for a bright, herbaceous lift that truly elevates the salad's profile. Now for the creamy heart of our tuna salad, the dressing. In a separate bowl, combine about 1/2 cup of good quality mayonnaise with 1 teaspoon of tangy Dijon mustard. Add a generous squeeze of fresh lemon juice, approximately 1 tablespoon, to brighten all the flavors. Season this mixture with a pinch of salt and a dash of freshly ground black pepper to taste, ensuring perfect balance. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Gently fold the dressing into the tuna and vegetable mixture until just combined. Avoid overmixing to maintain texture. For the best flavor, chill your tuna salad in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes, allowing all those wonderful ingredients to meld. Serve this delightful creation on toasted bread, crisp lettuce wraps, or with your favorite crackers for a perfect meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.